Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and software basics. Shut down the MacBook, wait 30 seconds, then restart to clear transient faults. Once done, inspect the keyboard with a flashlight and blow compressed air along key rows at an angle to dislodge debris. This fixes many mechanical issues. Make sure to connect an external USB or Bluetooth keyboard so you can continue troubleshooting if the built-in keys remain unresponsive. Boot into safe mode to rule out login items and drivers, because that isolates software causes from hardware ones. You now focus on deeper software and firmware layers. Reset the SMC to clear power management keyboard quirks, and reset NVRAM/PRAM to restore keyboard and input-related settings. Next, install all available Mac OS updates because firmware patches frequently address input issues. Make sure updates finish without interruption. Run Apple Diagnostics. Hold D at startup to detect hardware faults. Write down any error codes. If drivers or kernel extensions look suspicious, create a clean test user or reinstall Mac OS. You proceed to hardware-level fixes only when software steps fail. Unplug power, ground yourself. Open the bottom case if your MacBook model exposes the keyboard ribbon. Carefully disconnect and reseat the connector because loose contacts are common. If specific keys are sticky or broken, replace individual mechanisms or the top case assembly per your model's guide, since spilled liquid or physical damage often mandates part replacement. Finally, if problems persist, make an appointment with Apple Authorized Repair and bring your diagnostic codes and notes. That speeds accurate repair and warranty assessment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.